In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a detox drink or juice that will help to detoxify your system while also making you to glow as well. A detoxified body equals to a glowing skin, right? Right. I mean, who doesn't want that glowy skin? So if you are interested, please be sure to watch this video to the end. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Share it with your friends and family as well. Without further ado, let's get straight right into the video. We are going to be needing some celery stalk. I will also be adding some cucumber as well, 2 lemons, organic ginger, and finally some carrots. You can use as many as you want. You don't necessarily have to measure all the ingredients here. I just add as much as I want, blend them and drink. Okay, this is about 5 carrots, though they are not that big, just about medium size. But if you are making it in a very large quantity, you can add more of the lemons and basically more of the ingredients. You can double them and however you choose to do it. Okay, so I already washed them. I'm going to peel the back of the carrot because it's not looking nice, so I'm going to peel the back, peel the ginger as well, and cut them into smaller pieces, and then we'll blend. One tip: if your lemon is very strong, you can just roll it on a surface like this and it will become very soft. Look at that, you see. So we are going to be needing the juice of the lemon, not the whole lemon. If the meat enters, no problem, okay, but we don't need the back. This lemon doesn't have enough water in it. Finally, we are going to add enough water to this and blend. That's about enough. Now we are going to drain this with a sieve. If you have a juicer, perfect. It would be perfect with a juicer, but I don't have. That's why I'm going through this stress. Okay guys, I'm finally done. You can see I successfully squeezed out the living daylight out of this. Also, if you have a cheesecloth, you can use it. It would be more faster than going this process. So I'm done now, and I'm going to transfer it into my juice container as usual. Oh my goodness, I hope I don't make a mess. Okay. So you can make this in a large quantity and store it in your fridge and drink it as much as you want. I will suggest or advise you drink this 2 to 3 times a day. You can drink it once you wake up in the morning, drink it in the afternoon, 30 minutes or 20 minutes before you eat, and then drink it before you go to bed. Let it be the last thing you drink before you go to bed. Okay, so, and another thing is, if you don't like it cold like this, you can warm it up in the microwave and drink. Just warm it up for like 30 seconds and you are good to go. Cheers! I'm going to drink this now. You see, this is not bad, okay? The taste is not bad, because from the previous video I made, somebody said she tried it and the taste was bitter. Believe me, this isn't bitter, okay? It's not bitter and it's not that sweet either, but it's doable, right? So try it out and just give it like 2 weeks to 1 month and see what happens to your skin. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up like this, not like this, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.